Welcome to the initial release of our inclusive coding environment. We are developing it to help kids with disabilities learn how to code and express themselves creatively. This video will show how you can use the environment to move a robot like Dash by creating a sequence of different movements. One thing to note, while we aim to have broad support for browsers and robots, this version of the environment works best with the Google Chrome browser and Wonder Workshop's Dash robot. The user interface is organized into 3 sections: the Connect to Dash controls, the available movements, and the program area. First, we will need to connect to Dash, so before proceeding, please make sure Dash is turned on and near your device. Selecting Connect to Dash will bring up a dialog prompting us to find Dash. Once it has been selected, please click Pair to finish setting up the connection. Looking at the Movements section, we can see it's possible to move Dash one step forward or make it turn right or left. In the Program section, we can combine different movements to create a path for Dash to travel. Let's start by selecting a movement and then selecting a step. You can choose any of the available steps, whether they're blank or filled. If we need to add a blank step, we can select the Add button and then select a step in your program. This will add a blank step to your program right before the one you selected. To remove a step, we need to select the Delete button and then select any steps that are no longer required. Once our path has been created, selecting the Play button will make Dash travel along the path we've designed. Please check the video's description for links to suggested activities that you can try. We plan on making new releases available frequently, so please subscribe to our mailing list to stay informed.